chromium for green, selenium for red, iron for amber. Each mineral transforms plain glass into art.
I'm Sarah, and today I'll show you exactly how we turn recycled glass into these beautiful marbles, terrace, step by step. Every single one of these started as broken bottles, old windows, discarded glass. Let's start at the very beginning, Hanning, where all our raw materials arrive. Follow me.
The journey begins here, Kwan, in the raw materials warehouse, where recycled glass arrives by the ton. Every day, trucks deliver tons of recycled glass, collected from homes, businesses, and recycling centers across the country.
Green from bottles, brown from medicine containers, clear from windows, each color tells a story of its previous life.
Powerful machines move this glass to our first processing station, Catchards, the sorting line. The first step, Tapper, removing any contaminants that don't belong in our marbles. Powerful magnets remove any metal contamination, caps, wires, anything that could damage our furnaces.
Optical sensors scan every piece at lightning speed, removing ceramics, stones, and plastics that our eyes might miss.
Now the glass separates by color, conics, each stream destined for different marble varieties.
We monitor everything in real time. Today we're processing about 50 tons of recycled glass.
Human eyes provide the final check. Experienced workers spot what machines might miss. The sorted glass now travels to massive storage silos, waiting for its transformation.
Each silo holds over 100 tons of color-sorted glass, ready to feed our hungry furnaces.
Before melting, we add silica sand and special minerals. Gadget, the perfect recipe for quality glass.
Every batch is precisely measured, the exact formula for perfect glass melting.
Now comes the most impressive part, where solid glass becomes liquid fire.
The heart of the factory, where temperatures reach over 1,500 degrees Celsius.
These furnaces run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. They never stop.
Fresh materials constantly feed the furnace, maintaining the perfect glass level inside. At these temperatures, everything melts into pure, homogeneous liquid glass. Every aspect of the melting process is monitored from this state-of-the-art control room. Zone 3 is running slightly hot. Adjusting gas flow by 2%.
Constant micro-adjustments ensure the glass melts evenly, with no hot or cold spots.
The molten glass now begins its journey to the forming stations, flowing like a river of fire.
At this stage, the glass is around 1100 degrees Celsius, still too hot to form into marbles.
Careful cooling brings the glass to the perfect temperature for marble forming, around 1000 degrees.
Here's where the magic happens, where we add the beautiful colors that make each marble unique.
Cobalt oxide creates the deep blue. Just a few grams color thousands of marbles. Chromium for green, selenium for red, iron for amber. Each mineral transforms plain glass into art. 5 rivers of colored glass, each destined to become millions of marbles.
Temperature is perfect. The glass is ready for the most exciting parts, marble forming.
Welcome to the forming hall in Chimmy, where molten glass becomes perfect spheres.
Molten glass flows from precise ceramic openings. The diameter determines the marble size. Precision shears cut the stream exactly, 200 times per minute, perfectly timed.
Each gob contains exactly enough glass for one marble, Crowis, measured to the milligram. The moment of transformation transfers. Hot glass meets cool steel, and the rolling begins. As they roll through the grooves, gravity and friction sculpt each gob into a perfect sphere.
Hundreds of rotations in just a few seconds, Fikes, each one perfecting the sphere.
At the end of the rollers, perfect spheres emerge tidal. Still hot, but their shape is now permanent. But cooling a marble is a delicate process, too fast, and the glass will shatter.
The annealing layer slowly cools each marble over 30 minutes, relieving internal stresses.
Watch the color change from red hot to room temperature, perfectly controlled. Midway through the tunnel, the marbles have cooled enough to show their true colors.
And there they are, heroed. Perfect glass marbles, ready for inspection and sorting.
Beautiful. Look at that clarity and color. But before these can be sold, they need to pass quality control.
The quality control zone, where every marble faces the judgment of sensors and human experts. Optical sensors check 200 marbles per second, detecting flaws invisible to the human eye.
This marble has a tiny air bubble sometimes. Beautiful, but not up to our standards. Recycled.
Size sorting separates marbles by diameter, antizips each size category, packaged differently.
Color sorting uses advanced AI vision, Lensshot, separating marbles into pure color categories. Pure color collections per month. Each container holds thousands of perfectly matched marbles. Human inspectors perform random sampling trophs, measuring, examining, and testing physical properties. The roll test pans. A perfect sphere rolls perfectly straight. Any wobble means rejection. Approved marbles now flow to packaging platforms, transformed from recycled glass to finished products. The packaging department pined, where loose marbles become retail-ready products.
This is my favorite part 10, watching thousands of marbles get packaged every hour. It's incredibly satisfying.
Each tube receives exactly 50 marbles, sale, not 49, not 51. Precision counting at 200 tubes per minute. Every tube is unique. The random color arrangement makes each one a small work of art. Robotic arms cap each tube in milliseconds. Tukshes, never missing, never dropping.
2,000 caps per hour, per arm setting, and 12 arms work this line.
Tamper-evident shrink wrap ensures customers receive factory-fresh products. Branded labels identify each product, provenance, marble count, color type, and safety information.
Every label is perfectly aligned. Machine vision ensures consistent placement on every tube.
Different products, different packaging pop. From collector's displays to industrial bulk orders. Mesh bags Krubitz, a classic marble packaging that's been popular for generations.
Our collector series receives personal attention. Inches, each premium marble hand-placed in display cases.
The Galaxy Marble, one of our most popular collector's items. Each one is truly unique.
Industrial customers receive bulk orders, Midas 25-kilogram bags for manufacturing and construction applications. These marbles will become decorative fills, drainage material, or manufacturing components.
Individual products now go into retail-ready display boxes, paquets, designed to catch shoppers' attention.
6 tubes per retail box consists, perfectly arranged for store display.
Automatic sealing ensures every box is perfectly closed and secure. Random inspections verify that every box is properly labeled, sealed, and ready for customers.
Every product is tracked from raw material to final shipment. Lex. Complete traceability.
Retail boxes are grouped into shipping cases, minus 24 retail boxes per case for store delivery. Vacuum grippers handle products gently toned, protecting the marbles inside during case packing. Sealed cases weigh approximately 18 kilograms, pinkus, compact but heavy, with glass marbles. Shipping labels are printed on demand. Each case knows exactly where it's going.
This case is heading to Chicago Coolers, joining thousands of others shipping across the country today.
Robotic palletizers build stable pallet loads, stacking 48 cases per pallet in optimized patterns. Each robot places a case every 3 seconds, building complete pallets in under 3 minutes. Stretch wrap secures the load, important when each pallet weighs over 800 kilograms.
Multiple layers of stretch wrap turn 48 individual cases into one solid, shippable unit.
Final labels and handling instructions prepare the pallet for its journey to the warehouse. The finished goods warehouse, home to millions of marbles waiting for shipment around the world. Every pallet has an assigned location, and the warehouse management system knows exactly where each product is stored.
Digital guidance ensures efficiency. Operators always know the fastest route to each location.
Dozens of forklifts work in coordination, guided by the central system to avoid conflicts. Every day, thousands of pallets move through this warehouse, 3D Lundis, from production to shipping. The shipping dock, where our marbles begin their journey to stores and customers worldwide.
Every day, we ship to over 40 countries. These marbles might end up anywhere in the world.
Each trailer holds up to 20 pallets, That's almost 900 kilograms of pure glass marbles.
Security seals ensure no tampering during transit and tracked from factory to final destination.
Another shipment leaves the factory towns, carrying dreams of playtime to children everywhere.
From here, these marbles will travel by truck, train, ship, and plane to reach every corner of the globe.
Toy stores, supermarkets, specialty shops. Keith, our marbles find homes on shelves across the world.
And in that moment to cheer, when a child opens a new pack of marbles clench, our journey is complete.
A game that's been played for thousands of years, connecting generations through simple joy.
Every click, every roll, every victory made possible by the craft inside our factory. Back at the factory, the work never stops. The furnaces burn continuously, 24 hours a day. 3 shifts, hundreds of workers keeping the marbles flowing around the clock.
Even as the world sleeps, the furnaces burn and the marbles roll tide. An endless cycle of creation.
So that's our factory, Corient, where recycled glass gets a second chance at life.
Every marble started as broken glass headed for the landfill. Now look at them. Pretty amazing what we can create when we give things a second chance.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how glass marbles are really made.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.
From broken glass to perfect spheres, Will Quain. That's the art and science of marble making. Millions of marbles, each one a tiny, perfect world of glass and color.
One factory, one mission, Hackey, turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's treasures. Glass marbles corks, simple, beautiful, timeless. Made with pride, here, every day.
Subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing factory tours.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what factory you want to see next.